In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Gemini chat history. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download a copy of your conversations using Google Takeout so you can keep a personal backup or review your chats offline whenever you need. First, open a browser and go to takeout.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that you use for Gemini. It's important to double-check you're in the right account, especially if you switch between work and personal profiles, because your export will only include data from the account that's currently signed in. Once you're in Google Takeout, click Deselect All. This step makes sure you're not pulling every type of Google data, which can be a lot. We only want your Gemini conversations for this export, so clearing everything first keeps the process clean and focused. Now scroll down the list until you find Gemini. Depending on your region or account, it might appear as Gemini or Gemini Apps Activity or Activities. If you don't see it right away, use the page's search or find tools to locate it quickly. When you've found the Gemini entry, check the box to include your Gemini conversations. This tells Takeout to package up your chat history as part of the export. Next, scroll to the bottom and look for the export settings. Here, choose the file format and delivery option. Zip is the most common and easiest format to open on most computers, so it's a safe choice. For delivery, you can receive a download link by email or have the archive added to your Google Drive. Email is straightforward if you plan to download it directly, while Drive is handy if you want it saved to the cloud. Keep in mind that large exports may arrive as multiple files, and processing time can vary based on how much chat history you have. When you're ready, click Create Export. Now sit tight. Google will prepare your archive in the background. This may take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You can close the page if you like. The export will continue. When the export is finished, you'll receive a message with a link to download your archive. Open that link and save the file to a secure location. That's it. Your Gemini chat history is now exported and ready for your records. If you ever need to repeat the process, just return to Google Takeout and follow the same steps.